Hi guys, back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to increase refresh rate on K20 Pro on Pixel Experience Plus. As you know, this ROM does not support overclocking display hertz. Overclocking displays depend on the kernel. If it supports, then only we can overclock it. And Pixel Experience is having the new Pixie kernel, F1XY kernel, so it does not support the overclocking display hertz. We will change the kernel and overclock the display, and I'll show you what's the performance difference after changing the kernel in it. So as you can see, this is on the latest build, 5th April. Let's power off the device first. Press and hold volume up and power button at the same time, so you can boot into recovery. So first of all, take backup of your boot and DTBO, because if we run into any boot loop, so we can restore it. Select part where you want to take the backup, USB or internal storage. Swipe to backup. I have backup, so I am not doing it. After that, install. Locate the file where you have copied the kernel. Tap it and just swipe to install. After it got installed, take back and locate where you have copied the 72Hz mode. I had copied to my USB, so let me connect my USB. So install image, then you will see the 72Hz mode. Select it, DTBO, just swipe to install. It's done. After installing, just reboot the system. If you stuck into boot loop, just restore the files we have backup. So it's booted now, and let me show you. I'll open the Chrome. This is the test UFO. Yeah, you can see it's running on 72Hz and 72. The FPS gets fluctuated, so it's the Pixel Experience Plus running on 72Hz. This is the first video I think on YouTube I am making it, and let me show what's the difference between the performance after changing the kernel. The UI is pretty smooth after 72Hz installation. So it's pretty smooth. You can't see because the video is shooted on 60 fps, so YouTube does not support about that, so you can't see, but it's pretty smooth. And if you want to play PUBG on 72Hz, comment below, I'll make the video on it. So let's see the benchmark of both kernels. So I see that the multi-core score is same on both kernels, but there is a difference between the single core score. It's higher than 100 something on the stock Pixie kernel of Pixel Experience Plus. Scores are better on the stock kernel, but if you want to overclock the display hertz, you can compromise it. And I noticed that both are performing same, no difference at all, but the phone is getting warm a little bit more on the stock kernel. More videos are coming on overclocking K20 Pro, so make sure you subscribe to get notified every time I post a new video. And next video will be on the Evolution X new update, so make sure you subscribe for that also. And if you want to overclock 72Hz on Evolution X, you can do it also. Comment below, I'll make a video. So I hope you like the video. If any queries, comment below and I'll help you next time. Till then, peace out, take care.